Going in there with 30 pounds of smoked sausage. That sausage all browned down. What about it, Brother Dallas?
Oh, looking good, smelling good.
Already, boy. Time to get that sausage up out there. Ooh, that's pretty right there, boy. Hey, help him out there.
Yeah, I got it. I got
30 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thigh. So we're gonna hit it with that black pepper. With a little sea salt. So you gotta watch that tail. Woo, watch that tail. With a little Lee and Perry, that Louisiana hot sauce. Put in there with that low sodium. Oh man, look at that color going on there, boy. So let's get that chicken out there on 945. Check that out right there.
Look at there, look at that.
That looks pretty right there, bro. So here we go with 30 pounds of temple meat going in. We're gonna hit that temple meat with that low sodium Southern boys. Oh, look at that color going on there. That Lee and Perry. Watch that Dale's now. You gotta watch that Dale's. With that black pepper, y'all. Louisiana hot sauce. We'll take that temple meat up out of there. Oh, that looks good right there. In there with 30 pounds of the Holy Trinity, baby. The sausage and pork back in right now. So we're going in there with 10 gallons of water. That's the first 5. And there's your second 5. In there with a bottle of that brown sugar water. All right, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all a little trick here. Just lay that napkin down in there like that. See that? It ain't nobody likes a greasy jambalaya. You know, everybody sticking to the roof of your mouth and everything. So what we like doing, y'all, we like laying that napkin down in there like that. Let it soak up all that grease, pull it out of there. All right, y'all, we got 45 pounds of rice going in. Ooh, what about it, man?
It's going.
Going, huh? Cousin Mark pushing around. Now what we're gonna do, y'all, we're gonna come right here, we're gonna take that fire, and we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna shut her down. Ooh, look at there, y'all. Time for that first flip. Man, that's pretty right there. Mike, bring that chicken. Go ahead and put that chicken in there. Look at that, y'all. Oh, right. I'm telling you. Now this is when you add your chicken, y'all. You add your chicken right before the first flip. If you add your chicken too soon, you won't have no chicken in your jambalaya. Here we go. Watch this, y'all. Oh, man. That's what I'm talking about. Cousin Martin with a second flip. Oh, look at that, y'all. All right, y'all, what we got? We got the line right here. This is where it's ending up at. Go around here, they bagging everything. We got the churches lined up, coming to pick everything up where they can deliver them. Go over here. We're going to run down this way right quick. Here's where the jambalaya, here's where it's starting at, right back in here. And then Ben's put some green beans in. Mark's passing out the plate. Mike throwing some jambalaya. Brandon's over here. Bradley's putting the rolls in. Brandon's right here sliding the plate down. Jimmy's doing the honors right there. Come on down here. Look at that, y'all. Huh? That's a meal right there, y'all. Awesome stuff. Getting packaged up right on in there. So, hey, we appreciate all these men that's here today. You see all of them. We have some that's already left. It's been helping us all day, but it's not possible without the group of men that you see here that's all here preparing a meal for the senior citizens. And then it's not possible without all the churches coming and picking the meals up to deliver them to the seniors in need of a meal.